You guys loved our 8Y RS3 sweepstakes, so we're partnering with Turner Motorsport on their G87 M2 sweepstakes. We've got over $20,000 worth of aftermarket performance parts, and one of you lucky enthusiasts is going to drive this car home. Every dollar you spend at ECStuning.com is going to get you one entry to win this G87. And if you buy our sponsoring brands, you'll get bonus entries. So what are you waiting for? Head over to ECStuning.com and get yourself entered to win.
So we're going to be starting off our build the right way by putting in this Liqui-Moly 530 Special Tech. This is BMW Long Life approved. It's going to give us a long, healthy life out of our S58. We're also going to be installing this Hengst oil filter as well as this Hengst cabin air filter. Not a drop on the fingers, baby. Now that we've changed the oil, we're going to move on to the next big operation. So that's going to be installing our CSF heat exchanger as well as our CSF oil cooler. Up next, we have one of my favorite parts of this entire build, and that is going to be our Turner sealed S58 intake. Dynon was gracious enough to send us over this Dynon power control unit. This is a simple plug and play for the G87 M2. It's going to more fully unlock the tuning capabilities of the platform. This also is going to be coming with the Dynon coil packs and also a Dynon throttle booster. So should be covering the whole range for the tune. Should add a lot of horsepower to this car. So let's get it thrown in. Of course, no build is complete without a little bit of carbon fiber. So here we have our Turner Motorsport radiator cover. We also have our Turner Motorsport engine cover. For our final piece in the engine bay, we're going to be installing our Turner Motorsport strut brace. Fits in the OEM location, uses OEM hardware, and it's a great looking upgrade for this car. So as you can see, we dropped the rear subframe in our G87 M2, and that is because we're going to be doing some rear upgrades. To start it all off, we have this H&R 27mm sway bar. We're also going to be throwing on these Turner Motorsport adjustable toe arms, and we're also going to be installing H&R lowering springs. Now that we're finished up with the rear, we're going to be moving on to the front. We're going to be using H&R lowering springs on the front, as well as H&R's upgraded front sway bar. We have a Turner caster arm and a Turner front lower control arm. Next up for our sweepstakes build, we're going to be installing this Turner Motorsport chassis mount shifter, as well as this Turner Motorsport DSSR. Before we send our car off to wrap, we get to put on this beautiful AWE exhaust. So this is a valve setup, so it should work with the factory valves. There's an adapter harness to make that work. Pretty nice looking exhaust, so let's get the stock one cut up and get this thrown on. Make this thing sound beautiful. Let's hear it.
Now, before we throw all the exterior modifications on, we're going to send it to our friends over at Superior Wraps in Hartville, Ohio, to install this custom-designed in-house wrap on our M2.
Check it out, we have some Dynon mirror caps, we have our Turner Motorsport front lip, we have our Turner Motorsport LTW inspired wing. So we got our Apex wheel here. This is the Apex ML10 RT. Apex sent us these for our Sweepstakes G87 M2. So all right, let's get some tires mounted on these. I'm excited to see them.
The brushed on the center offset with like the little polished lip going on, it's really speaking to me. I like it.
Remember, you have until December 8th, 2025 to enter our sweepstakes. Every dollar you spend at ECStuning.com gets you one entry, and if you buy a sponsoring brand, you get bonus entries. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more enthusiast content.